3 posts hit by the Avs in period 1. That knocked down. Now with a high stick as Landeskog tries to send it off for Rantanen with a backhand. He scores! Mikko Rantanen! Welcome back!
Where was it? Whoa, Mosh. In fact, it comes across the ref. Calgary, they're not happy at all because they've seen the replay, but what a backhand by Mikko. Now remember, Mikko is a left-handed shooting right wing. The first 4 games are at home. You want to take advantage of that because the next 6 are on the road after that.
Here's Makar. Have set up now to McKinnon. 3-1. Rantanen shoots and scores! Mikko Rantanen! He settles it.
It's come down low to McKinnon. And McKinnon right across. I mean, that is a pass all the way across to Rantanen through the seam, right on the tape. I mean, there's bodies right there. Calgary couldn't have done anything more. They had 4 guys right to power plays early, which gave their main guys too many touches early and too much involvement in the game.
Rantanen right into the slot with a Toronto. He scores! You've got to be kidding me!
And everybody for the Minnesota is playing off the end. A little bit right there. But, you know, just the composure.
McKinnon sets it up inside Kadri. Pad save Samsonov. Rebound score. No mistake for Rantanen.
It's a misplay, but they kick it back around to spread out and move the PKers. This one comes across. First chance Kadri. Sharp angle shot is none other than
Rantanen looking to skate that puck to center, and he does. Cutting in with McKinnon. Rantanen still got it. Scores! Made his move to the middle and backhands it in the top corner.
He is actually. He'll go down and try to knock this puck off the stick of Rantanen. Gets a piece of it, but look at Rantanen's ability to hold on to it.
Penalty call. Girard with a wrist shot. Save rebound. Score! Mikko Rantanen!
A good pass by Donskoy who picked up one of the assists. Girard's probably going to get the other one. But you just see the power and strength. Mark talked about that earlier. Just that ability that he has to shed the checkers. He just pushes his arm up and the stick just disappears from the checker. Usually, you know, you can put pressure on a guy and he walks in. And I just walked right into.
Do the same, and he's done it here. Confer out there now, gives it to McKinnon, to the attack, in front, scores! Mikko Rantanen from McKinnon.
Changing up the line, so there's a stretch pass, handled well in the neutral zone, off the skate to the stick, and then McKinnon with the cross crease feed wins a foot race to the net against Kevin Hayes, and it's 2-0 Colorado.
Calle Rosen advances, part of that Kadri deal with Toronto.
And he can skate too, Chris.
Kadri's got it, side of the net, scores! Rantanen with his second of the night.
Get it deep right there. Down below the icing line, and Nazem Kadri, no resistance at all for Mikko Rantanen, and he's just going to take it and stuff it home. Good job by Kadri, doesn't hold the puck too long.
Again to the back, Girard on to McKinnon, spins away from Delarose, now back for Girard, one-timer, they score, Rantanen, and it's 2-1 Colorado.
Quickly, Colorado gets it back in on a little regroup here, the same units on the ice. And you can see Girard just plays it over to the right to a left-handed and one-timer. And you can see that right pad just drags down, and oh my goodness. That
on Mikko Rantanen. Taves with a shot kicked out by Francouz. Captured by Landeskog for Mikko Rantanen. With an empty net, bullseye.
Away by Stevenson. McKinnon keeps it in, the Stone couldn't clear. Rantanen shot, tap, score! Another turnover cost the Golden Knights.
Actually goes off Nate Schmidt's stick.
You see the time left in the 5-on-3. Rantanen advancing in, guarded by Parayko. Cale Makar. Rantanen, they score!
Give and go. Thousand to stay with a 5-on-4. Good job by the Avalanche to use the seams on this 5-on-3. What a feed by Makar. From Rantanen to
Johnson winds this to the stick of Landeskog, and now Girard on the move. Here comes McKinnon into the Devil's zone, puts the brakes on, gives here, shot by Rantanen. He scores.
Oh boy, what a shot! Right on his tape. One more look, and he goes upstairs over the glove of Mackenzie Blackwood to get the Avalanche on the board. And had an impressive comeback against the Bruins. It's going to be a tall order here, but a big third period coming up.
Makar continues on, drops a pass back, Rantanen shoots, he scored! Cale Makar sets up Mikko Rantanen.
Nasreddine, look if there was any interference at all on. No, absolutely. His defenseman interfered with him.
And here's Rantanen looking for the hat trick. Is the lane there? Yes! Mikko Rantanen finds the net.
Get it back out. Big blast, Makar. And that was blocked and went wide. And the Flyers looking for that loose puck. Makar got it instead out in front and they score. Rantanen buries it. And the bad.
Rantanen who just snaps it quickly. Look at this shot right there. Leans into it. A little bit of an.
Landeskog out of the corner, plays it to the middle of the ice, and here come McKinnon. McKinnon lays it off. No return shot. That one went in the net. That's a goal. What a shot.
And he makes no mistake. You can hear the post. It's going to ding off the post, back and in and out.
Hangs it up to the red line. McKinnon through his legs. Mikko got free. Mikko's down the slot. Mikko with the backhander, and he scores. The Moose got loose. Yep.
What elevates Mikko Rantanen from a really good player to a great player. That's a play that a 5'10", 180-pound player makes, not a 6'5", 235-pound guy. I mean that
in one spot at the same time. It's almost like the time-space continuum is ripped. Here comes McKinnon in. Finds Mikko, a darting move, shot, and he scores! Mikko Rantanen on the power play.
beautiful backhand goal, and do this where he ignites the power play. The Avalanche are going to be scoring a ton of goals.